Hello everyone, my name is Sonali Prakash Patil. This is my group members Abhijit Wahane, Hanumanta Bandare, Sheetal Nikose, Mayuri Khobragade and Rituja Khobragade. We are from NIT Polytechnic Nagpur in Mechanical Department, session 19 to 2020. Our project title is Man-Free Wall Painting Robot. This is Man-Free Wall Painting Robot. It is used for interior and exterior decoration of the home, office, colleges and other buildings. The robot is simple and portable. The robot is designed using frame, motor and spray and control unit to control the entire operation of the robot. They have medium weight and expected performance. Due to simple control system, it can control noise, vibration and does silent operation. It has longer life, movable and it is efficient and dependable. And the installation is simple and maintenance is also simple. This is automatic wall painting robot will reduce human exposure to difficult and harsh environment, which will solve most of the problem connect with safety.
So, POs and COs mapped on this project. First of all, COs 1 to fabricate the exiting machine, CO2 the fabricate and design the machine, CO3 to design and various component of machine, CO4 to reduce human effort, CO5 assess the impact of the project on society, CO6 to make a model of machine. Then POs. Basic knowledge, first of all, PO1 basic knowledge, second one is the second PO discipline knowledge, third experimental and practical knowledge, fourth engineering tools, fifth PO the engineering and society, sixth PO individual and teamwork, seventh PO communication, and then eighth PO lifelong learning.
This is our main component of this project, frame. Frame is used for to carry the whole equipment of the model. Wheel. This is our four wheel. Four wheel are attached to the frame. The main function of four wheel to move from one place to another place. Spray painting is a painting technique where a device spray coating through air on a surface. Adjusting screw. It is a manually operated to adjust for a working spray. This is the channel and guiding rod. Guiding rod is used for to guide the channel. Drum. Drum is used for to transmit the power in rope and properly work in rope. To transmit the power for drum, pick up this power efficiently the material of the rope in nylon. Motor. DC motor are part of the electric motor using DC power has energy source. This device transfer electrical energy to mechanical energy. The battery is used for to provide the supply for controller unit. This battery is a lead acid battery. It is the rechargeable battery. This is the secondary battery and this printed circuit board. The printed circuit board is used for to control the whole project.
This project work on main two components. Electric components, transmitter and receiver. Left and right switches are used to move the project forward and reverse direction. That switch placed on remote. The spray move upward and downward direction with the help of rope and channel. The screw is manually adjustment and spray the paint and any object. There are two sections, transmitter sections and receiver section. First of transmitter section 434 MH2 is attached to microcontroller and microcontroller is attached to the switch. Second thing is receiver section 434 MH2 is attached to microcontroller and microcontroller is attached as relay. Relay 1, relay 2, relay 3 and relay 4. Relay 4 is attached with the motor drive and motor drive is attached with motor.
Model is controlled by wireless through the RF434MH2 that transmitter and receiver pair. Used for the move whole assembly from the safe place using the RF transmitter. By the pressing by the switch, user can be paint the wall from the one place to the another place, that is the wall. All the movement is the model assembly by user with the help of remote. We have used 9-volt battery. This is the antenna. This is the transmitter. This is the antenna, passes the signal receiver section. This is the receiver section. This is the filter. It is used the order to remove ripple from the pulses DC and converted is the unregular DC. This is the IC. We have used the IC 7805 as a voltage. This is the IC. We have used the IC 7805 as a voltage regulator. This is a resistor. Resistor is a reduce the electric current. The resistor's ability to reduce the is called resistor and it is measured unit of ohms. This is the optocoupler. Optocoupler is transfer the electric signal between two isolator circuit by using the light. This is a microcontroller at Mega 328. This is a microcontroller is This is the indicator. LED light. LED light is the indicator. This is also called as remote is contains button that work on reverse and forward direction, up and down direction.
Specifications of man-free oil painting robot. Working time period of 6 to 8 hours. Spray paint used for painting. Finish of wall painting is good. Charging time minimum of 3 hours. Wireless controlling distance 20 meters.
So, the future scope of this project. This type of machine can be used at construction site and at multi-floor building for exterior wall painting. Second one, with the higher supporting column, robot can use for painting an even larger section of wall. Third, the process in which painting is done by robot to reduce human effort and increase accuracy.